Welcome to the NewsRamp Real Estate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Thursday evening, November 13th, 2025, and we have a lineup of real estate headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here's our first headline.
Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on Sky Harbour Group Corporation, NYSE's Q3 2025. Stonegate Capital Partners has updated their coverage on Sky Harbour Group Corp, NYSE KYH for Q3 2025. Sky Harbour sustained momentum, conducting resident flight operations at 9 campuses. Constructed assets increased to over $308 million, with a JV letter of intent signed for an SH-34 hangar at OPF Phase 2. In terms of occupancy and revenue, Sky Harbour reported consolidated revenue of approximately $7.3 million for 3Q25, up 78% year over year. Gross margin was 13.5%, and the company ended the quarter with around $48 million in cash and U.S. Treasuries. A discounted cash flow analysis suggests a valuation range of $12.81 to $19.93 for Ski H. Accentro Real Estate AG successfully implements restructuring plan. Accentro Real Estate AG has successfully implemented the restructuring plan confirmed by the local court Charlottenburg. This plan, in line with the German Corporate Stabilization and Restructuring Act, involved amending the terms of the 2020, 2026, and 2021-2029 bonds. The supervisory board now includes Paul Cisak, Dr. Nedim Sen, and soon Richard Lewis. The completion of these measures sets the foundation for long-term stability and positive business growth. Accentro Real Estate AG is a residential investor and market leader in residential privatization in Germany, focusing on major cities and regions. Their activities include selling flats to owner-occupiers, managing property portfolios, and providing services for third parties. For more information, visit accentro.de.
Network news breaks. Strawberry Fields REIT Inc. eyes untapped opportunity in elderly care market. Strawberry Fields REIT Inc. W is strategically positioning itself in the elderly care market, valued at $49 and $29 in 2024, and projected to reach $98.99 billion by 2032. With a focus on acquisitions and leases, Star W owns 142 healthcare facilities across 10 states, totaling over 15,500 licensed beds. Its portfolio includes 130 skilled nursing facilities, 10 assisted living facilities, and 2 long-term acute healthcare hospitals. The company's aggressive expansion plan aims to capitalize on the growing need for elderly care as the aging population increases.
Genesis Holdings selects DigiShares as white label technology provider for Travaleo, its luxury-branded real estate STO platform. Genesis Holdings Inc. region has chosen DigiShares as the white label technology provider for its upcoming platform Travaleo. This collaboration will enable Travaleo to issue, manage, and trade security tokens backed by luxury real estate assets. Travaleo aims to offer fractionalized access to exclusive properties in Latin America and Europe. With DigiShares technology, the platform ensures compliance and transparency through blockchain-based smart contracts. CEO Oscar Brito believes this partnership will provide global investors with access to high-value real estate assets in a secure and transparent manner. DigiShares CEO Klaus Skonning expressed excitement about the collaboration, highlighting the synergy between their technology and region's expertise in luxury real estate. Stay tuned for the launch of Travaleo, offering digital real estate offerings to accredited investors soon.
Beeline Holdings, BLNE, achieves cash flow positivity in lending operations, prices $7.4 million registered direct offering. Beeline Holdings, the emerging digital mortgage lender and SaaS platform, announced that its lending entity achieved cash flow positivity in October, positioning the company to reach overall cash flow positivity by Q1 2026. The company priced its $7.4 million registered direct offering of 4,620,000 shares of common stock, expected to close on or about November 12, 2025. With a debt-free balance sheet since September, Beeline does not anticipate further capital raises to fund operations. The scalable, AI-driven SaaS mortgage platform has shown roughly 30% quarterly revenue growth and a 91% year-to-date unit increase. Proceeds from the offering will support general corporate purposes, working capital, warehouse requirements, and redemption of Series E preferred stock, avoiding the issuance of approximately 800,000 shares through non-dilutive execution. Strawberry Fields REIT Inc. and NABU announces Q3 2025 financial results, holds quarterly earnings call. Strawberry Fields REIT Inc. recently announced their Q3 2025 financial results, which included new acquisitions, lease renewals, and increases to FFO, AFFO, rental income, and net income compared to Q3 2024. The earnings call discussed these results with the leadership team providing insights and answering questions from analysts. Highlights from the quarter included acquiring 9 skilled nursing facilities in Missouri, a skilled nursing facility in Oklahoma, and a healthcare facility in Missouri. These acquisitions were funded with working capital. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Real Estate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7 PressRelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.